Are your Khronos Group application failing because of the Open Computing Language Library 64DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Before we dive into the Open Computing Language Library, 64 Troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization, is available below. This is the Open Computing Language Library 64, the 64-bit execution library for the Open Computing Language, OpenCL. It allows 64-bit applications to leverage the GPU for parallel compute tasks like video rendering or crypto mining. Missing versions prevent the app from utilizing hardware acceleration, reporting no OpenCL-compatible device found. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This error usually stems from an incomplete graphics environment affecting Open Computing Language Library 64DLL. You should reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy gaming libraries, while also updating your GPU drivers to resolve any compute-related or OpenGL issues. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Open Computing Language Library 64 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Because a standard update didn't solve the issue, you must perform a manual driver reset, and you should use the Display Driver Uninstaller, also known as the DDU utility, to clear out your current graphics configuration. Once your PC restarts, you can install a fresh driver package to ensure all GPU-related files, like your DLL file, are correctly registered. Why are we doing this? Well, graphics drivers rely on complex registry indexing, and a fresh installation following a DDU wipe forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the necessary libraries. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. The version of Open Computing Language Library 64DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Open Computing Language Library 64. To keep Open Computing Language Library 64 running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.